are you now? How old are you now? How old are you, Papa Wendy? Happy birthday to you!
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank God for allowing Uncle Wally to be with us tonight. Thank God for the many years that he's given and allowed Uncle Wally to be alive. And that God continues to bless him with more years to come. Right? Hope Uncle Wally enjoyed his birthday tonight on today. Thank God for his plan for us tonight. Right? Who has or who wants to say something? Does anybody wants to share something? What are you grateful for? You enjoy so yeah. Everybody gonna say something, okay?
Okay.
You guys gonna share. Say what you're grateful for or say something that you learned.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Son. Today I'll be sharing what I learned with my family and on our fellowship that we meet every week. And before I share, I'm thankful for Uncle Wally to be alive and be with us and all the years that he's been with our family and all of us. We're thankful to be here and to be with him. And today what I want to share is how to become a child of God. What there's three steps to learn. The first step is listening. And the second one is receiving. The third one is prayer. Submitting. Well, all these three steps we learn that this will help us become a child of God, or you can explain to the kids if you're asking us what is the child of God and how do we become one? This is the example and sharing I want to share. Amen. Amen.
Thank you, son.
Thank God that we are all here. Thank God that you all healthy. Thank God that everybody is here.
Thank you, Janard.